Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Use 1 liter of whole milk and 2 tablespoons of mature grains. Sanitize equipment with boiling water or food-grade sanitizer before any contact with cultures, and dry with a clean towel. Room temperature should be 20-25 degrees C for fermentation, cooler rooms slow activity, and warmer rooms speed souring. Choose whole or 3.5% milk for fastest growth. Lower fat gives slower grains. Work in a clean, brightly lit area, and prepare a labeled jar so you track times and batches during the first week of cultivation. Combine grains with 1 liter of milk in a glass jar and cover with breathable cloth to keep out dust and allow gas escape. Ferment undisturbed at 20-25 degrees C for 24-48 hours until thickened and mildly tangy. Timing depends on temperature and desired tartness. Roll the jar gently to check texture without introducing contaminants. Strain through a non-metal sieve and return grains to fresh milk immediately. Then label the jar with start and finish times to build consistent, repeatable batches for daily or every other day production. For refrigeration, store grains submerged in 1 cup milk at 4 degrees C for up to 2 weeks. Change the milk weekly to prevent acidity buildup. To revive stressed grains, soak them in 100 ml fresh milk at 20-25 degrees C for 12-24 hours, then resume normal 1 liter cycles. Avoid metal contact. Use plastic, glass, or wooden utensils to protect grains, and rinse gently with non-chlorinated water when necessary. Monitor smell and texture. Yeasty, cucumber, or acetone notes indicate imbalance. Discard if mold appears.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.